So this says find the area and of the semicircle to the nearest tenth of a square foot and the perimeter to the nearest tenth of a square foot. So we got to kind of really think about these. So area of a circle is pi r squared, and we have a half of a circle. I'm going to multiply that by a half. So let's do that first. So area is pi. This is clearly the diameter. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. That's the radius. So times 1.5 squared times a half. And I'm just going to put that all right into the calculator just like that. So pi times 1.5 squared times, I'm going to be lazy, 1/2. I don't want to put the fraction button. All right, make sure you put the 1/2 in parentheses like that if you're going to do it like that. I enter, it gives me 3.534. 3.534, blah, 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 which is 3 nearest 10, 5. So there's my area. Now my perimeter, which is my circumference, all right, my circumference is 2 pi r, and I only have half the circle, but that's going to be just this part right here. Okay, because the perimeter is the outside edge, or sorry, the circumference is the outside edge of the circle. So I'm going to have to make sure that I add back in this 3. And I have to really think about these questions when I do them because they're not all going to be perfectly straightforward. So I have to add that 3 back in there. Okay? So then I'm just going to put that exact thing into the calculator. So I'm going to go to the calculator. I'm going to go 2 times pi times, and I think I didn't put the actual radius in there. I didn't. So I'm going to erase this and put 1.5 times a half. Sorry, 2 times pi times 1.5 times a half. Then I'm going to do lazy again. Times a half plus 3. All right, so that's everything. So the perimeter of that thing is going to be 7.712. 7.712, and it says nearest tenth also, so that was 7.7. 7.7.